Hello, first graders. All right, how do animals survive in nature? Today, you guys, on your slides, you guys have a story called What Do You Do with a Tail Like This? And I want you to read about all the different animals and all the different tails and how they use their tails to help them survive. This is a really, really good book. All right. So survive, remember that word survive means to continue to live. So think about danger. Sometimes it's dangerous for animals, so they have to survive. Okay, they have to figure out a way to live. Provide. Remember, provide is to get what you need. Provide is to get what you need. So animals have to go out and get and provide things for themselves like water and food and shelter. Communicate. Remember, communicate means to talk or exchange messages. Now we use words. Do animals use words? No, they make noises and sounds that only they can understand, right? So the way we communicate is by using a phone. Who would you call on the phone and communicate with? Who would you call? Alright. Superior means, remember, superior means that they're much better, like they're higher, okay? So they have learned a lot more, or they're in charge of something. So they're the king, superior. Wilderness. Wilderness is the wild, remember? The natural area, the wild. Think about where have you seen the wilderness at? Where is some open land? The wilderness. Over the summer, not last summer, but I got to go to Yellowstone, and that is a big forest, right? And it's a wilderness. Lots of animals live there. Alright, we're going to blend the sounds to make a word. Are you ready? Oh. What's the word? Phone. Good job. Old. What's the sound? What's the word? Sold. Good job. Okay. Oak. What's the word? Joke. Good job. Okay, let's do the next one. Oat. What's the word? Coat. Good job. And I have all long O words. Alright, so we've been talking about long O like in oat. That has the O-A in it. Oat. Okay, let's see if we can read these words. Ready? So. Good job. Alright, let's try the next word. O. Toe. What's this word? Row. Good job. Do toe and row rhyme? That's right, they do. Toe and row rhyme. Toes. Toes. Oh, look, it has an S on it. That means there's more than one. This is a plural. Toes. There's more than one. How many toes do you have? That's right, you have 10 toes. Okay, O's. Goes. Do toes and goes rhyme? They do. Alright, let's look at the words. Let's say, spell say. Ready? Low. L-O-W. Low. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. No. N-O. No. Row. R-O-W. Row. Oat. O-A-T. Oat. Toe. T-O-E. Toe. We. W-E. We. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. Okay, this word is we. W-E. We. What's this word? Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. What's this one? Over. O-V-E-R. Over. What's the last word? More. M-O. Alright, let's try to fill in the missing letters. Are you ready? This one was low. So L-O, what letter goes there? W. Good job. Alright, let's look at the next word. This one was boat. So what vowel is it missing? O. Good job. This word was no. What vowel is it missing? O, right? Long O. Good job. Then we have row. Now vowel team. O. W. Good job. Then we have oach. Oach. What letter are you missing? That's right. Long O. Then we have toe. Toe. Right. Long O. This word was we. What letter are we missing? Right. A long E. This word is keep. Keep. Right. A long E. This word was over. Over. What letter are we missing? That's right. O. Long O. And then we have more. More. What vowel are we missing? Right, an O. Alright, let's see. What's this word? Find. What's this one? Food. How about this one? More. How about this one? Over. What's this one? Start. And this one? Warm. Hey, you could practice writing these sight words today. Rainbow write them on a whiteboard. Alright, let's see. Let's practice the sight words one more time and let's see if we can find them in a word search. Are you ready? This word was find. Can you find? Very good. F-I-N-D. Find. About food. Very good. F-O-O-D. Food. The next one is more. M-O-R-E. More. Alright, let's find over. Over. Can you see it? Right. O-V-E-R. Over. What was this word again? Start. Good job. Let's find start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Okay, how about this word? Warm. Warm. Can you find warm? W-A-R-M. Warm. Alright, don't forget to read the story about what would you do with a tail like this. And you have a long O-A and O-W game.